Hello guys and welcome back to our channel.
So today we'll be making minestrone soup, and this is a vegan recipe, and Sarah will be presenting you the ingredients.
Okay, so first we have some potatoes with their skin off, they're naked. Then you have a giant tomato, and then 2 carrots, an onion, and 3 little slices of mini garlic. And then my favorite, the little pasta, they're in the shape of little animals. And then some tomato beans.
Yeah, you can use baked beans like these ones, or you can use regular beans. Yeah, I didn't have any regular beans, so do what you can with what you have. Let's get started. Alright, so we've cut all the vegetables. Now I have a pot here. I have added some olive oil, not too much, and then I have the onion and the garlic. Okay. Good job, Sarah.
Can I start mixing these?
Yeah. Carefully.
Yep, I'm a professional.
Okay, so we'll let them fry for a minute or so. You have to keep on stirring.
Okay.
And now I will be adding some spices. Smells great.
The spices or the onion?
Both of them.
Can I smell the spice?
Okay, so now I'm adding about half of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm adding about half teaspoon of cumin powder. Some oregano. Just a little bit now, and we'll add some more later.
It's fun to cook.
Now we'll add the tomatoes. Okay, keep on stirring.
Yep.
I'm adding some pepper. There we go. I'm adding just a little bit of tomato paste.
Ooh, tomato paste. Toothpaste.
About 1 tablespoon. Alright. Be careful. It's hot. Now we're adding
Potatoes.
the potatoes. And the carrot. Here.
Cheeky.
Hey, you can use this towel. Yeah.
I just wanted to hold on to it.
Careful. Yeah. There. Let me stir one time.
I'll be back in a
Okay. Here, you want to keep on stirring?
Yes, and I'm stirring this.
Now it's time to add
The tomato beans.
the tomato beans. I'm gonna put some water inside and rinse it a little bit. There we go.
When can we add the pasta?
At the end. And now we have to add more water. Yeah?
Can I add the water?
Yeah. Okay, here. Okay. And now we need some more. Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, and one more. Here. If the soup is too thick, then you can add more water.
Now what do we do if it's too thin?
If it's too thin, you can put more vegetables. Alright, now I have some vegetable broth. And this is powder. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. So that's why I didn't add salt, because this is already salty. If you have to, you can add some more later. Alright, so we'll bring this to a boil and we'll let it simmer for about 30 minutes, maybe less, and then we'll add the pasta. The soup is simmering, the veggies are almost done, and now we're adding the pasta. I'm not using too much pasta because that's all the pasta that's left in our house. You can add more, you can add less, it's up to you. You can add some more liquid at this point if you want to. So cook the pasta according to the instructions on the package. Mine says about 10 to 12 minutes. And I'm also gonna add the rest of the oregano. Meanwhile, I'm making some tortellini, and these are the tomatoes tortellini with some sauce. This is gonna be our dinner for tonight. So the vegetables are boiled, the pasta is boiled too, and the soup is technically ready. But I have bought this huge bag. Where is the spinach? Right here. I have bought this huge bag of spinach yesterday from Breve. So I have used some in the morning for our smoothie. And I said, why not adding some of this spinach into the soup? It's spring and we need lots of nutrients, and spinach is really healthy. So I've added the spinach. Now I'm gonna let the soup cook for just 2 or 3 minutes and it will be done. The soup is done. It's still very hot, This is the tortellini dish that I was telling you about. This is also done. And I'll show you how the soup looks in a bowl. Alright, the soup is ready to be served. We have some croutons over here. You can put them on top if you would like to. Or you can serve the soup without. And bon appetit!